Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zack D Films animation. First, grasp the distinctive visual style and comedic timing that defines his work. This often involves blending real-world objects with clever digital effects. Begin by meticulously planning your concept and creating a detailed storyboard. This crucial step ensures a clear vision and smooth execution for your animated short. Next, focus on filming your elements. A stable camera, perhaps on a tripod, is essential for maintaining consistent shots throughout your project. You will capture many short video clips or individual still images, depending on your chosen animation technique. Always ensure excellent lighting to avoid unwanted shadows and reflections, which can complicate post-production. Now, move into the editing phase. Import all your captured footage into your preferred video editing software. This is where the magic happens, as you apply visual effects to seamlessly blend your practical elements with digital enhancements. Pay close attention to sound design, as well. Well-placed sound effects significantly amplify the comedic timing and overall impact of your animation. Finally, it is time to refine and share your masterpiece. Carefully review your entire animation, ensuring the pacing is just right and every moment delivers maximum impact. Once satisfied, export your finished video in a high-quality format, such as 1080 pixels or 4K resolution. Then, proudly share your unique creation on popular platforms like YouTube or TikTok.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.